Hey everyone, welcome back to the Profit Shield Growth Podcast. This is Graham Norris here. Let me ask you something. What's the biggest fear you carry as a real estate investor? For some, it's running out of cash. For others, it's losing everything to a legal dispute. And for many, it's simply burning out, working harder and harder, but not seeing the freedom they were promised. I know that fear personally. When I scaled past 100 units, I thought I'd made it, but instead of freedom, I was trapped. Cash flow was unpredictable. Every attorney call felt like a $300 hit, and I was chained to my phone. Hustle didn't solve it. Hustle doesn't scale. That's why I built the Profit Shield growth system. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with leverage. Cash flow leverage. Advertising funnels that fund themselves. Legal leverage. Unlimited protection without hourly fees, a flat monthly low fee. And time leverage, AI automation that frees you from chaos. This isn't theory. Real investors are already seeing results. Mark saved thousands when his attorney caught a bad clause. Lynn handled an eviction stress-free. And Jessica kept her business liquid with a monetized funnel during a crunch. So my question is this. Are you ready to stop grinding and start growing with confidence? The Profit Shield growth system protects every deal, stabilizes your cash flow, and gives you back your time. Register your interest now at ezlawaccess.info and don't wait for the next crisis to force your hand. Build your shield today. Protect every deal, grow with confidence, and build your legacy. We'll see you next time.